When you see professionals work in Adobe applications, you'll notice one key thing. The layouts of their applications look nothing like yours. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Adobe application layouts to keep you organized, fast, and efficient. As you get started with Adobe, you're going to get really familiar with how their applications are laid out. But as you get more comfortable, you might realize that a change to those default layouts might make it easier for you to stay organized and efficient. This is why Workspaces exist. In just about any Adobe application, you can actually move the different panels that make up the default workspace. You'll also notice that under the Window menu, there are several different panels that aren't enabled by default. In this menu, you can turn those on or take them off. You'll also notice that you can close or undock panels just by right-clicking on them. But when you're reorganizing your workspace, you might accidentally close or move something that you can't quite seem to get back. If that happens and you want to get back to the default workspace, just go to Window, Workspaces, and then reset to saved layout. When you go to the Workspace menu in some applications, like Premiere, you'll notice several different options built right in. As a beginner, it's probably best to learn the application with the default workspace. But as you progress, you might try switching to the different built-in workspaces to learn new panels and become more efficient with different tasks. But as you get more advanced, you might find that you want to create your own workspace. If you create a workspace you like using, you can go to the Workspace menu and click on Save as New Workspace. And if you make changes to your workspace you want to save, you can click on Save Changes to this workspace. But you should probably be careful that you're not saving over one of the default workspaces. Workspaces in Adobe are an extremely powerful tool that can help keep you organized, efficient, and fast. And when you get attached to a workspace that you like, it'll become a staple part of your working life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, you can check out MediaTech Institute's digital film, recording arts, VFX and animation, and many other programs by clicking on the link to the left or below. Be sure to subscribe as well. We post lots of great content for aspiring and current media professionals, so be sure to hit that bell icon, and we'll see you again next week with another episode.